What's going on, guys? So, as you saw in the last video, got the CRX running. We're actually gonna move on to the clutch hydraulic conversion from Hush. I actually kind of made my own little. I'll show you. So yeah, this is the bracket from Hush Performance. I kind of made my own little deal a long time ago with like a little flux core welder just to get it going, and it definitely is not like the most secure thing in the world. So yeah, we're gonna be putting this in. Hopefully that stiffens all that up. Maybe clean up some of the wire while I'm in there, but yeah. I think the video after this one is the one where I'm actually gonna start putting together the all-wheel drive stuff that I have ready, and then yeah. So we'll go ahead and get the dash out of the car and get my old piece of junk out of there and make room for the Hush Performance hydraulic bracket. Alright guys, got the dash out. Got the bar that goes across here out. Got the wiring coming out of the way. Set the steering wheel here. That bar that goes across. So here's my little homebrew plate deal that I made. Obviously not nearly as good as not nearly as good as what we're about to put in there, but I'm gonna go ahead and get that torn out and get the Hush Performance one over here. Alright, got the pedals set out. Here's just like a better look at this nice bracket assembly from Hush, and then this god-awful haggled together thing I made just to get by. But that's coming off, that's going on, and I mean, just by looking at this, I can tell the pedal is just gonna feel just 100 times better. This is like creaky, and I didn't do the best of job. I had a flux core, some metal, cut-off wheel, and I just went after it. Probably the first thing I ever quote-unquote fabricated. So, get this thing off, get the new one on, and see how it feels. Alright guys, so got the dash back in, and got the new Hush Performance pedal bracket, and you can't see, it's dark. I have to get a flashlight. Alright, so I got it back in. You actually really can't see it once it's actually in there. And all the wiring's back and the dash is back, but it is definitely in there. Fairly straightforward process if you're gonna do it yourself. So yeah, if this is something you guys decide to do, I do recommend pulling a dash if you can. I know it makes pulling the whole pedal assembly out much easier. I've done it with the dash in and everything, and yeah, it's just easier once you pull the dash out and pull the steering out of the way. It's super simple to actually pull that stuff out, put the Hush Performance bracket on there, and then bolt it all back in. So yeah, this is like the V2 version of the Hush Performance hydraulic bracket. It actually has a support that goes up into the to the metal ducting, kind of where the air would flow through the car to kind of help sturdy the bracket. It actually worked out really nicely, and it's kind of hard to like get this on camera because it's like it's feel. It's not something I can just show, but the feel of it compared to what I had in there this is 10 times better. My little like crappy made bracket that I made probably, I don't know, 5 years ago or something like that. It was creaky. It was I don't know, it was done at like midnight with a shitty little welder, and had to get it done, so that's what I did. It worked pretty okay for several years, and then I decided maybe I need to step it up a little bit, and I'm glad I did. This thing feels just night and day different. It feels like OEM. I mean, you wouldn't even know that. Yeah, you wouldn't even know. It's pretty great. So alright, so anyway, this was just a quick video of getting that put in, and then we're going to move on to maybe some cooler things on this thing. So thanks for hanging out, guys. I appreciate a subscribe as much as feels pandery or whatever to ask for that. But yeah, if you wouldn't mind, or if you want to see more on this car, or maybe the WRX, it's coming back here probably in the next month, I would say. So I'm hoping in about a month we'll start working on that one again, have some stuff for it, and go from there. Anyway, appreciate you guys, and see you next time.